Dear friends, Dr. Kuldeep Singh, former National Service Scheme Program Officer, GGM Science College, Jammu, founder Shirism from the soil of Jammu, Jammu and Kashmir. Today live video number 41 and 5th in English, Wrestling in Search of God. This is the title. It is chapter number 3 contained in my book titled Shirism, the 21st Century God and Practices to Save Planet Beyond United Nations 17 Sustainable Developmental Goals. The theme of the book is Bird is One, Live Journey Purposefully, DNA, the God of Living Bird, Nature Centric, the Godly Practices, Make United Nations a grand success. In my life, I wrestled under different faiths in search of God. Here, wrestle with God, I mean, how I could gain clarity about His purposes for my life, how I made requests before Him, and finally, how I accepted His plan for me. These answers I got after lot of hard work. Moving from one shrine to the other, interacting with human gods found in every nook and corner. Finally, true God and godly practices in form of this new ideology, I have come to conclude through the mirror of Holy Scripture, Constitution, education in science and technology, and profession, functioning through science and technology. The God-men are found in every nook and corner, just I said. They are possessing huge wealth, mass following, political connectivity, both are hand in glove. That is not my main motto to tell you. My main motto is I also got trapped to the God-man. Hindu God-man also Muslim, Sikh, and also interacted with Christian God-man on God and godly practices. When I was passing through transformation phase, telling you the truth, you listener also have passed this stage from 12 years onward to adulthood, and those who are dealing with their wards. But I am going to tell you, discuss with them reproductive health. We feel shy. When I was undergoing through this transformation, some changes takes place. You understand, do not want to explain in detail. Everybody knows it. I found that some evil spirits have entered in my body. Since in family culture, worshipping human god culture was there, and I got trapped. I followed jantras, tantras, mantras, amulets, sacred water, cardamom chewing, dhoop, agarbatti, and daily recitation, and some and all other associated things, because I was not having the knowledge at that time. Now I understand this was totally the absence of knowledge on reproductive health. Now everything is in open. Your wards are studying reproductive health. Discuss with them in open. In TV programs are there, ads are there. Discuss with them. So my psychology had grown weak, and I got relief from the clutches of this weak psychology when I started understanding the meaning from Guru Granth Sahib. The hymn I choose to recite like a parrot. God is one. Ek Onkar opened my eyes. God is one. Whole universe is the product of one God. planet is part of the universe. Whole life is integrated. Pavan Guru Pani Pita Tarti Ma. अब्बल अल्लाह नूर पाया कुदरत के सब बंदे एक नूर ते सब जग उपजिया कौन भले कौन मंदे सब में सच्चा एक को सोई इन एवरीबॉडी इज हैविंग सेम गॉड सबे घट राम बोले देयर इज नो एंड in explaining these things. Holy scriptures are full of values. Our religious people do not follow, they do not know. They are short of knowledge. Yes, I am telling you the truth. They believe in material wealth and political connectivity, political and religious connectivity. सबे घट राम बोले एकल माटी कुंजर चिंटी big animal and small insect made up of same biomolecules. So I got clarity. God is only one, sharing some percentage of an earning. I am spending since long back. Now I spend for my functioning through science and technology. Relationship of man is deeply integrated and embedded with nature. Recite divine music. Abal Allah Noor Paya. Divine music instead of sex promoting music and all that. Divine music. Imbibe moral values and stay healthy and live purposefully. So these inputs no doubt put me on right path, but still I was not satisfied. I continued wrestling to know more on God and godly practices. God is within, sab mein ekko sacha soi. And that knowledge I got through science and technological education, functioning through science and technologically, and professional functioning in science and technology. That I will discuss what God is within in next video. Thank you.